Don't you guys just love it when you go to the hairdresser, you're like, please cut my hair up to my chin, and they freaking cut it up to farther up than what you asked for? Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and we're doing a full glam today. I'm super excited about that. So, a few weeks ago, I did a very simple holiday makeup look for those people who have no time, just need to be out the door, or maybe they're beginners, or, just a simple, easy look that will go with everything. Today, I really wanted to play with some color and do a glam look because I know there are some of us that love getting all glammed up during the holiday season. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I came up with this look. It is a burgundy and gold makeup look. I know, so original. I deserve an award. I know that. It's just my take on a classic holiday look. I really enjoy how the end result looks. At first, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know where I was going with it, but yeah, this is how my face ended up looking. I'm really digging it, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, then make sure to subscribe and keep on watching because I'm gonna show you how to get it right now. Okay, so after I've primed my eyes with my one and only eyeshadow primer potion, you guys know I love to use it, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I have never reached for this. I've only like swatched it, and I really love the colors. The burgundies are beautiful, and I want something burgundy and gold. I know I'm talking about the fact that burgundy and gold are like the most overused colors for the holidays, but I still want to do a look with them because they're overused for a reason. Just gonna play with these colors. Still don't know what the look is gonna be, so we're just playing. To start off, I'm gonna go into Mugshot. And I'm gonna apply this to my crease. I'm gonna go lightly and apply it as a transition shade, but this color is kind of a little dark for a transition. So we're just gonna go in lightly and then build it up. I'm going to move on now into something a little bit darker. I'm gonna play with the burgundy colors. So I'm gonna go in with Siren, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply this to the outer corner of my eye and the outer crease. This could backfire because I feel like I haven't added enough of a foundation with the other shade, but let's just try it out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And if it's horrible, then I'm not gonna upload this. Okay, after that's blended, it's a little patchy, I'm not gonna lie. It took a little while to blend out, but I think it's looking okay right now. I might go back in later and fuzz with it, but for now, I'm gonna go in with the shade On Camera, which is this one right here. It's kind of like a gold shade. I really like it. I think I could do it something a little bit lighter, but we're gonna use this one because I don't want to grab another palette, so I'm just gonna apply this to like the inner third of my lid, like almost halfway, and then just blend it in with the color that I applied on my outer corner. Okay, and I just want to deepen the crease a little bit more after applying that lid shade because it's very yellow. So I'm gonna go in with Framed. This one right here, it's just a little bit darker than the other burgundy. I'm just literally gonna apply it to the outer corner, not blending it up to the crease. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back into Mugshot, which is the shade that I applied all over my crease, and I'm just gonna run it all along the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with Framed, which is the darkest shade that I used, just on the outer corner, not taking it all the way in. Try fixing the shadow as much as possible. Some of the colors are really patchy and are making me look like I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but I promise I kind of do. So now that I've done all of that, I'm just gonna go in with the Dose of Colors Teddy Eyeliner. And this is just like a very cute kind of light burgundy color. I'm just gonna apply this to my waterline and my tight line because I want to make my lashes a little bit thicker. I'm also just gonna add a little bit of more definition to my lash line on top. I'm gonna go in with Secret, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna stamp it onto my lash line. Not gonna do anything special, just wanna define the lash line. Okay, after that's done, just made a little bit of a difference, and it is time for mascara. You can totally add falsies if you want to. This is kind of a dramatic look. Not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna add some mascara using Lancome Monsieur Big. Just something that's really dramatic because I do want my lashes to look big, but I don't want to add falsies. Okay, and once we got our mascara on, the eyes are complete. I'm just gonna move on and do my brows and my base off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just realized that I was not filming for the entirety of my cheeks and the rest of my face, and I kind of hate myself right now. I hate myself a lot right now. So, okay, so I'm just gonna tell you what I did because I obviously can't redo it. I did a little bit of contour because I wanted to keep the focus mostly on the eyes. So I only did a little contour, and this is the Armani Beauty A Contour, very light, just applied it wherever I normally contour. And then I went in with a mixture of blushes from the NARS Exposed palette. I did this one toward the back and these two toward the apple, and then I just applied a little bit of this one, which is a highlighter, to the high points of my face. For my lips, I went into the Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Done Undone, lined the lips, and then I went in with MAC Velvet Teddy to finish it all off. So yeah, you didn't miss a lot because I did my base off camera, but I'm really freaking pissed that I did not press record. What's going on, I don't know, but yeah, let me just zoom you guys in and we'll see the end result, and we'll forget this ever happened, okay? Yeah. Okay, now that we're zoomed in, the sun is doing weird shit right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be a little too reflective, but yeah. Really love the eyes. The eyeshadows were a little bit hard to play with. They were a little bit patchy, and I can still tell where they are a little patchy, but honestly, once I applied mascara, everything was forgiven. That does tend to happen if you applied falsies. Kind of the same thing. All the mistakes are hidden, and everything looks beautiful, so I was a little skeptical of the gold because it's a little bit yellow, but I really like how it looks. For the rest of the face, I'm sorry about not being able to record it. I am a dumbass, but let me just darken you up a little so you can see. Went a little bit more full coverage because this is a glam look, so I did cover all my bits and pieces of my face. Also a lot of concealer under the eyes, but yeah. The face is very simple. I really love how the blush is looking. The contour is very subtle, so you can barely even tell that I have it. But yeah, if you're wondering why this is orange, it's because my piercing got a little infected, so I applied some turmeric and it's doing its thing. Last but not least, the lips. I really love it. I think it's neither too cool or too warm, so it goes with the look perfectly, and I just think, you know, it ties it in together. So yeah, I really like this look. At first, I admit I didn't know where I was going with it, but I really like how it ended up looking. And that wraps us up, you guys. What do you think of the look? Please let me know your thoughts. I'm sorry about not recording a portion of this friggin' tutorial, but such is life, you know? Sometimes we don't get it right. It's a frickin' Monday, and I am not on my A game. I know I went for like the classic colors, but I really love how this turned out. So please let me know if you did too, and please, if you guys have like a go-to holiday look, let me know what it is as well. I want to know. I'm curious about what y'all wear during the holiday season. If this is not what you're looking for and you want something that's a little simpler, quicker, and that goes with everything, please make sure to go watch my other video because I also created something for you if you're not into this look. But if you are, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It gives me a lot of feedback. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content, make sure to subscribe. I post literally that every single week, so yeah, if you'd want to subscribe, I would love you forever. If you don't, that's fine. That's fine. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, clicking on this video, and watching it through to the end. I love you all so much, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye, everybody. Mwah.